welcome you back again to another video lecture on Python programming project. And in this video lecture, I'll go ahead and teach you how to convert from Fahrenheit to Celsius. Alright, so in the previous lecture, I was able to teach you how to convert from Celsius to Fahrenheit in Python. And right now, let's go ahead and learn how to convert from Fahrenheit to Celsius. So go ahead and create an integer variable of x and let x be, let's say, int, and then going to request the user to, let's say, insert a Fahrenheit. Okay, insert a Fahrenheit. Hope that is correct. Insert a Fahrenheit value. All right. So how do you know if that is really a Fahrenheit value? So go ahead and collect that, and we're going to say that x is equal to round, because we're going to round this. Okay, we're going to round this and let x minus. Come on, this pops up and it usually closes what I do. So go ahead and say x minus 32. All right, and go ahead and multiply that with 5 divided by 9. All right, so we'll go ahead and print our results. So we'll go ahead and say print and print LSTL, and then pass in the value of x right in there, plus let's go ahead and give in the unit, which is C. Let's go ahead and run this code and check it out. I believe everything being in code is going to work out fine. So the very first thing we need to do is to put in 1 Fahrenheit is equal to what? Alright, so 1 Fahrenheit is equal to negative 17 degrees Celsius. I was like, why is this not giving me this to be in a dot? I forgot that I gave this to be in a round number. So it's always rounded number, and if you make that to be dotted, it's going to be negative 17.222 degrees Celsius. Now let's go ahead and run this code one more time and check out. Let's say we have 32. Wow. Go ahead and insert 32 Fahrenheit, and that is equal to 0 degrees Celsius, and that is what it's supposed to give you. All right, so if you go ahead and check it out, you will see that that is really what you have, 0 degrees Celsius, and you can try out as many as you want. Okay, and I believe that everything works out fine, and you're going to really enjoy that. Please put this down on your own system, play around with it, and in case if you have any question, please go ahead and use the question and the answer section, and I'm going to get back to you as soon as possible. Thank you so much, and I'm going to see you in the next video lecture.